Welcome back, friends. In this video, you will learn the formula for creating number series in Microsoft Excel. In this Excel sheet, I have prepared 5 requirements for creating number series. To create the number series, I will use the sequence function. Let's get started. The first requirement is to create a number series from 1 to 10,000. For this, click on this cell, press equals, and use the sequence function. In the rows parameter, put the last value of the number sequence, that is 10,000 in this case. Close bracket and press enter. This is the number series from 1 to 10,000. If you want to create the number series in the columns, put the value in the columns parameter by skipping the row parameter. Next requirement is to create an even number series of 100 numbers. For this, use the sequence function in this way. Next is to create an odd number sequence of 50 numbers. For this, use sequence function in this way. Next is to create a sequence of numbers that are multiple of 7. For this, use sequence function in this way. Next requirement is to create a sequence of 1 to 100 in 10 by 10 table. For this, use the formula like this. So, that was all about how to use formula for generating different types of number series in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more in Excel, visit our channel's video page and subscribe our channel to get other video upload notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video.